This is the inside of the door. The straps. Those are all the back plates for the hinges that support it through the I-beam. And this is an engine hoist that's going to be used to move these 2 post lifts later. There's my 4 post lift. So here it is. So, back up. Ready? Opening with the That's it. Closing. You see that little thing there? There's one on either side. That goes down and locks onto this thing here. It's a red guarded thing just so you don't get your hand to warn you, and then it locks and pulls the inner section in. See that?